Don't you just love it when you forget to do something? Welcome back to another episode of Sam's Wrecking Yard. Let's get into it. Finally found my stand again. See how wide we got here. 5 foot, 62 inches, 5 foot 2 inches. And 102 inches, so 8 foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 foot 6 by 5 foot 2. Foot 2 by 8 foot 6. Okay, let's go to the backyard and we'll dig through the wood pile. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Sam's Wrecking Yard. Alright, so it looks like we got a couple of options back here. Kind of liking these ones. Seven inches a piece, 7, 14, 21, 28, 28, 46. Oh my god, what's 28 times 3? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 70, right? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So if we go 5 times 5 is 70. 9 boards, oh hang on, 63. So if we get 9 of these boards, 7 inches, that'd give us a 1/2 inch overhang on both sides, which I think is acceptable. Or what else we got? Or we got these ones, which are about 5.5 inches wide. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 55, 60, 65. 13 of those boards. I don't want to put that many bolts in. So I think I'm going to find 7 of these, 9 of these, 7 of these. My God, whatever the math was that I said. Can't remember what I said already. I will grab 7 of these. We'll load them up, take them back up to the trailer there. We'll finish painting it. While it's painting, I'll run down to the store and pick up the carriage bolts and some lock washer nuts. No, I think I'll just do carriage bolts and nylon nuts. And then we'll figure out which drill we need and get her done. Still haven't figured out what I'm doing for the sides yet. I know I want a box trailer. I don't know how to get there yet. We'll keep pushing forward. Well, she's definitely going to be a 20-footer. She's far from good, but good from afar. Alright, so I did switch things a little bit. Ended up going with these ones. 100% because they're already painted. 7 inches still. I'm going to pull ahead and we'll install our new trailer jack. New to me trailer jack. A couple years back I ended up with another small utility trailer. Depending on your view, you may be able to see it back there. I got no use for it. I got a young guy coming in that's going to help him real good. But I'm keeping this because it's going to help me real good. Let's install this thing together, shall we? Alright. Something like that might be. Well, that's unfortunate. I totally didn't even get to record a full segment there. But I'll show you what I did, I guess. So we installed this. Nice trailer jack. Bit of a game changer for me because I've been using that for years. Actually came off of that one. Here's the up close to the painted ones that I'm going to use instead. I'm going to get these unloaded onto the trailer. While that dries, I'll run down to our Canadian Tire and pick up our bolts, or Home Hardware, or wherever I find cheaper, because I don't have enough carriage bolts, and that's what I want to use on this. Whole family's involved now. Baby, just go lengthwise up and down.
Okay.
Yeah, saves more paint. Good job.
Oh, it's okay.
Ruh-roh.
I'm sure.
We'll move on to the next one. Okay.
Let's move on to it as fast as I can.
Okay.
Because I don't want this to be like halfway down here. Okay, there we go. And do you want the outsides? Here, or are you good?
No, the insides are fine.
Okay.
All right, so those. Oh, are you gonna try to move it? Okay, you can actually hang it right here.
Hang it? Or hang it?
Turn it sideways. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Still like this looks like it.
Okay, that works. And the other one can go too. All right, so these, once they're dry, are gonna be the caps for the tops here, because I'm broke, out of budget, out of money, and yeah, so I got four carriage bolts. Oh yeah, 7 in total, but 4 of those. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's gonna hold that down. So the end boards will be all the way through, and all the middle ones won't be. They'll just be held in by those. And I have another one back there that apparently won't get paint today, which is fine. That's her spray can. And that one's gonna cap off the rear. Alright, so unfortunately things are taking a while, so what I'm gonna do, I got my line now. I used my chalk line, laid a proper line. I'm gonna cut the board down, and I'm actually gonna spin it around so that way the cut edge is on the inside and the painted edge is on the outside. I'll get that done and I'll bring you guys back. Got it cut down. Decided to put it on the inside because my saw blade needs to be changed, and so I got these gaps. So in case I ever decide to replace that board after I buy a new saw blade, then I just gotta take out these ones, pull it out, put the new one back in, call it a day. So what I'm gonna start with is that corner up there, I think. No, sorry, that corner down there. That's what I'm gonna start with. Run my bolt through. There's already pre-existing holes, so I just gotta find them, punch my drill bit through, or the punch a new hole in the board, and then figure out what the measurement is so I can punch new holes into the blue things. All right, so I'm gonna get to that and I'll be right back. My drill bit won't drill anymore. I got 1.5 holes drilled. So this is where I sit. I'm gonna ask my boss tomorrow if I can borrow a drill bit or two. And this time I am completely disregarding any pre-existing holes. Either that or I'm gonna go from the bottom up through the holes, because the 2 that I got so far in aren't straight up, they're a little crooked. Great. But a little bit of progress. Progress is always best. So thank you again for joining us. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.